In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P2055 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, please proceed to the search bar and type for HP LaserJet P2055 printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one under support.hp.com, which is the official website for HP printer. The moment you click on it, it will welcome you, and there you can see this HP LaserJet printer driver. So proceed to driver universal print driver, and there you can see two results. Proceed to the first HP Universal Print Driver for Windows PCL6 and click on this download, aligning to it. Okay, once you click on it, you just have to navigate to the top right corner and check the download progress. And once it is being done, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to copy this zip file. So by that, make a right click and you need to click on this cut icon. Once done, close the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. Once you have successfully moved the zip file here, you need to make a right click and go with extract all, or either use your WinRAR tool to extract this zip file. So go with WinRAR and go with extract to. The moment you click on it, wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Once here, we will now move on to the installation. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So from here, navigate to the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and locate where the option called Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you need to directly proceed to the printers and scanners and please choose for a device. Once you click on it, wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually and kindly wait until this window would appear. Go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Click on next. Click on Have Disk and you need to click on Browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop there, so go on it and here at the desktop, please scroll down and proceed to this extracted file, double tapped, and it will show you the list of drivers. Select any of that, click on Open and click on OK. And then you need to click on this version 7.7.0. Then you need to rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into HPLG space P2055. Then once done, click on the next here and it will now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next. Click on finished and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P2055 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.